7 ways how to clear cache on iPhone, step-by-step guide for beginner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to help you learn how to clear cache on your iPhone. If you are a beginner, don't worry. We got you covered with our easy step-by-step guide. Clearing cache can help boost your iPhone performance and free up storage space. So let's get started. 1. Clear Safari cache. First, let's clear the cache from Safari, the default browser on your iPhone. Follow this simple step. Open the Setting application. Then scroll down and tap on Safari. You can tap Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it and you confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Close tab, and that's it. You successfully clear Safari's cache. Number 2. Offload unused apps. Sometimes it's a good idea to offload unused apps to clear cache and free up storage space. Here's how. 1. Open the Setting app and then tap General, tap iPhone Storage, then scroll through the list of apps and tap on an app you want to offload. For example, I tap on YouTube, then you can see a offload app here. You can tap on it and you confirm to offload app. This will remove the app from your iPhone while keeping its document and data. You can reinstall the app later if needed. 3. Clearing cache for all apps. You can also offload or delete and reinstall apps to clear their cache. For example, we go to the Setting and then General and iPhone Storage. For example, there are a list of the application that already installed on our phone. Let's check, for example, KineMaster here. As we can see, the application size is 110.7 megabyte and the document and data size is 24.39 gigabyte. Okay, first let's uninstall the app from your iPhone. For example, I'm going to uninstall KineMaster here. This will remove the app and its cache data. Follow this step. Locate the app you want to uninstall on your iPhone home screen and then press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then tap Remove App and then confirm by tapping Delete App in the pop-up and then tap Delete. You can keep subscription here if you want to reinstall this again. Now we already uninstalled KineMaster from our iPhone. After uninstalling the app, it's a good idea to restart your iPhone to ensure all cache data is removed. Here's how. As you can see on the right side of your device, there is a power button. And on the left side of your device, there are two buttons. We call it volume button, volume up button, and volume down button. Then, to restart your iPhone, press and hold the side button, the power button, and also either volume button until the power off slider appears on your screen. After that, drag the slider to turn off your iPhone to the right. After a few seconds, you can see your iPhone is already off. Then press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears on your screen. We wait for the process. Okay, we already restart our iPhone. Then let's reinstall the application again. This will give you a fresh start with no cached data. Follow this step. Open the App Store on your iPhone and tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type the name of the app in the search bar and tap search. For example, I want to reinstall KineMaster, so I'm going to type KineMaster. Then locate the app in the search result and tap the close icon or download button to reinstall the app. Wait for it. We're waiting for the process until the installation is finished. Once the app is reinstalled, you will have a clean slate with no cached data. So open to the setting. We check it on setting. And then we go to iPhone storage. Here we looking for the KineMaster. Okay, now we tap on it. As you can see, the document and data size is changing right now. It's only 57 kilobytes. Number 4. Manage cache is by controlling the background app refresh feature. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, which can consume resources and affect performance. Here's how to manage background app refresh. Go to Setting, and then tap General, and you look for Background App Refresh. You can choose to turn off background app refresh entirely or selectively disable it for specific app. By doing this, you will reduce the cache build-up and improve your iPhone performance. Please note that disabling background app refresh may affect how some apps function, as they will only refresh content when you open them. Number 5. Keeping your apps up to date. App developers often release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and optimize cache management. To ensure your apps are updated regularly, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. You can scroll down to see available updates and tap on Update All to update all apps at once, or update them individually by tapping the Update button next to each app. Staying up to date with app updates will help you maintain optimal performance and minimize cache-related issues. Number 6. Utilizing the built-in storage optimization feature. Go to Setting, General, and then iPhone Storage. You will see a list of recommendations to optimize your storage. Some of these recommendations may include reviewing personal video. You can review and delete large video file that are taking up significant storage space. And then like enabling iCloud Photo. With iCloud Photo, your photo and video are stored in iCloud and only optimized versions are kept on your iPhone, saving space while still allowing you to access your media. You can also offloading unused apps. This feature automatically offloads apps you haven't used in a while preserving their data and document. When you reinstall the app, the data is restored and you can continue using the app as before. By optimizing your iPhone storage, you can indirectly manage cache and improve your device's performance. Number 7, you can also removing the cache file for video, photo, and message. To removing the unused file for photo or video that you already deleted from your album, you go to the photo. And then when you deleting some video or photo on your album, it hasn't removed permanently from your iPhone. Scroll down, you can check on recently deleted here. After you tap on recently deleted, you can see of your photo or video that already removed from your gallery, but is still on your phone. To remove it permanently, just tap on your photo. For example, I tap on this, and then you tap delete, and then yes, it will remove it permanently. Or you back again. To remove all, you can tap on select, and then tap on video, and then delete. So the recently deleted file is permanently deleted from your phone. And to delete the message, you can go to the message, pick the message that you want to delete, and swipe to the left, and you can see this is a delete button. Just tap on it, and the chosen message is already deleted from your phone. And then to delete the message permanently, you tap on edit, located at the top left corner of your screen, and then select show recently deleted. And you can see there are a list of deleted message. You can tap on the message, then you delete it, and delete 6 message, delete it. After that, the deleted message already deleted permanently from your iPhone. In addition, you can also monitoring and limiting app data usage. Some apps may use excessive data, which can lead to cache build-up and negatively impact performance. Here's how to monitor and limit app data usage. Go to Setting and pick Cellular and Cellular Data. Scroll down to view the data usage for each app installed on your iPhone. Toggle off the switch for any apps you like to restrict from using cellular data. This can help reduce cache build-up from excessive data usage. You can also limit background data usage by going to Setting, and you go to General, Background App Refresh, and you can turning off the switch for any apps you like to restrict from refreshing their content in the background. That's it. 7 ways to how to clear cache on iPhone. If you have any question or comment, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!